Hello. We're trying to get a burp. Burp. Come on, burp.
So you don't think he's going to try to risk it and go for the double grab? I would say that.
Are you going to burp?
Alright, so right now he is qualified for the final, and I actually think he's a bit of a better run already.
You burp yet?
The story in round one was that when he took that first run,
No.
and that's what the judges recognized.
Are you looking at Mama? Come on, burp.
Maybe think he will hold back for the finals, and he's looking for
Burp, buddy.
This is a great run so far.
Because I don't want to.
He does have big
So Grandma Joyce was hardly talking to me today.
That is the longest waiting.
I greased it when he almost missed on the world record jump, but right there he nailed it. Absolutely.
Didn't want to burp. Nope. Didn't want to burp. Give me food. She doesn't know she's eating it. There we go.
Solid performance. Jumps from in there with the knack backflip. He didn't get everything he wanted. For the crowd, just for a bonus. And lots of good, solid run. He had an 87. He had good underflip on this run. So I think this run is better than the first run.
Is she coughing or something?
It's a big trick, but like a lot of guys.